Welcome to our video on maintaining a healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet is important because it provides your body with the necessary nutrients to function properly. Eating unhealthy foods can lead to chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Here are some tips for maintaining a healthy diet. First, focus on eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Second, practice portion control by using smaller plates and measuring your food. Third, plan your meals ahead of time to avoid unhealthy food choices. Fourth, limit your intake of processed and sugary foods. Fifth, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. And finally, be mindful of your eating habits and avoid distractions such as watching TV or using your phone while eating. By following these tips, you can maintain a healthy diet and improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching our video on maintaining a healthy diet. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Remember, a healthy diet is key to a healthy life.